was Grassland 5. The challenge was actually Grassland 4. So what do we need? Again, we just need a statue. So let's do that the best way that we know how here. So we're going to start off with doing a little bit of healing there. I want to see if I can do some more healing. Perfect. Because we're not on a time limit right now, so you have to remember that. And there we go. Heals that one. All right, now, there we go. Just gonna get those guys working a little bit here. And like I said, I realize you can't see my fingers and stuff, but you'll get the drift of what I'm doing for the most part. I'm just merging, merging, merging. Okay, that's a big heart. Got a lot of stuff done. There we go. Hoofta, hoofta. Yeah, we'll just make another one of those, so. Okay. And there we were done. And so I know that, you know, you were watching what I was merging and what I was doing. So that's kind of what I'm going to do on every episode, is just kind of show you how to complete that level.